Hey guys, so I'm new as a YouTuber and I have my name written down right here. It says Dr. PaigePoop Slime Master MD. And my sister's over here. Come on in. Come here. Put your tea down.
No. Yep.
This is my sister. And today we're going to be making some slime. And we're going to be using glow-in-the-dark glue. And I'm so excited. And if you hear noise in the background, just ignore that. And we're going to be making, and here was my little mermaid friend. Her ponytail's a little messy. But yeah, she's excited to make slime. So we're going to probably start off with pink, her favorite color, because she's an all pink mermaid. And white. Oh, you're going to make slime with me. Yay, she's going to make slime with me. I'm banging her. Okay, so here we go. Make slime with me. Okay, I'll scooch over. So the activator we're going to be using is Elmer's Magical Liquid. And I'm super excited because it's like my 100th time using this. So I'm going to pour the glue for her. That's not pink. Pink! It says washable. Does that say washable?
Washable color glue.
Yeah, washable color glue. So I'm going to pour that in for her because we're going to be making pink slime.
Wait, can I use blue? No, that's not allowed blue. Can I do purple?
Yeah, you can do purple.
Or like this pink?
No, yeah, purple. You just do purple.
Okay.
But add half of the bottle because I'm adding only half of the bottle. And that wouldn't be fair. So all of my glue is in. Wait, no. Still a little left. Is that half of the bottle? You have a big bottle. So I think that's half the bottle. Okay, that's good.
It's not half.
That is. Good enough. Good enough, though. Because you're making a bigger slime than me. So, I'm going to pour the magic... Oh, wait. Get a spoon for me, too. Wait, no. I'll get a spoon.
You have your spatula thing, right? Do you have your other one?
Yeah, I also...
Do you have two of these?
No. Yeah, I do.
Can I use the other one?
Yeah. Go get the pink one.
Okay.
So I have a red spatula, and I just got some contact solution also, and you don't really need baking soda. Right? I'll pour a little in.
I'll use it. I don't care.
So you only need a pinch, if you want an adult to do that, because they have bigger fingers than kids. You need 2 pinches if you're a kid. 1 pinch if you're an adult. Because one time I made slime and I dunked the whole thing in because it was my first time ever making slime. So yeah, mix that up. You don't really need it. It just helps it stick less. But time for the magical liquid. Hang on. I'm gonna pour Elmer's magical liquid. Will we use that last because
I'm gonna use some of that.
I know, I'm going to pour it for you because it's very strong. Well, not very strong, but it's strong. Okay, go with that right now. If you need more, I'll add more. Oh, she's checking out the slime. She's coming over here. She's checking out the slime. Okay. Okay, do you want to mix? I think she's going to mix. Here, put her arms out for her. She can mix. There we go. Okay, she's a little too tiny, but okay, I'll mix for her. Well, this will be her slime. Oh, it's coming together really well. Yeah, it's coming together. finally have like a good slime. Okay, I'm gonna add a little eye contact solution. You want to add eye contact solution to yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
I gotta get a paper towel.
No. All you have to do is knead, and it'll come off your hands. Okay? I promise you. Like you have to keep on kneading. Like it's what I always do, and it'll come off. Okay, it's still sticking. I always do like the finger test. I like put like very little in mine for some reason. I put like a lot in yours. See, it's coming together. Okay, let's put that over there. What I do is what I go in with my fingers, and I go like.
Can you add some more?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. There it is. It's coming together.
We'll just like add eye contact solution from like now on because it's a lot less stronger. It's like not very strong as Emily's Magical Liquid. I mostly go in with like one hand, and then when it's starting to like stick a little less, just a little bit, I go in with both hands. So this is my slime. We're going to be making more slimes than just this, and you guys have to vote whose slime is better. So my pink slime or her purple slime. Show them your purple slime.
It's not completely kneaded yet.
Well, mine is like kind of like it's a little sticky, but I can fix that.
Okay, so this is my purple slime. It's not completely finished, but I'm going to show you guys anyway.
It's super stretchy. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of the glue out because like I want to clean the bowl. My next slime. And so it's practically me, Dr. PaigePoop Slime Master DM versus my sis MD. I get that mixed up for some reason. Dr. PaigePoop Slime Master MD versus my sister
Samantha.
Yeah, Samantha. And after a few days, like since this was like kind of like clearish, it should like clear up. But it's like super cool. I'm gonna put this down here so I can show you. Make a little poopy. Like we have a click table thing down because my mom doesn't like when it's like on her table and she doesn't want it to get a mess. So yeah, I don't want the table to get a mess either because we legit just cleaned the house, and me and my sister worked so hard to clean the table because there's like there was like cat hair on it because of my cats walking all around on it, and which is like very disappointing of them. And if I sound like weird because like because I just have a cold. I have a cold, a really bad cold. I have to go wash my hands. I'll just use my mom's hand sanitizer.
So my slime is pretty much done. It's a nice purple color. Like she said, after a couple of days, it should clear up.
Because I watch a bunch of YouTube channels where they say if you use clear glue or clear colored this it should clear up. But yeah, this is actually super duper good slime.
Okay, let's feel each other's slime.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to feeling your slime. It's
Whoa.
so good. It's warm though. It's warm. Let's see it as a poop. See it as a poop emoji. It's sticky a little bit, but it's really good. Here, can I have my slime back?
Yeah.
Yours is a smaller slime though. It's smaller. I don't know why, but I make cold slimes. They're super duper cold. But I'll get us a little baggie to put them in. Or do you want to get it? Because you're on that side. I think you should get it because you're on that side.
Yeah, I hurt my foot. And my tailbone. So I think I'm going to make another slime like this, and then I'll make it bigger. And then after, I'll combine them.
Wait, at the end of the video, do you want to combine, all the slimes?
Into one huge?
Yeah.
Could do that.
Do you want
to... You can combine these now.
No, we should do it at the end of the video, because that's what, a lot of YouTubers do.
Okay.
So I'll just do that. I'll go get the little baggies.
You can play with that. I gotta take a sip of my tea.
Just give me your finger. Get us some baggies while you're sipping your tea. Might steal this slime. But then we're going to split this slime in half since there's two of us. And she'll keep one half of the big slime. And I'll keep the other half. I'm actually looking forward to see what color it turns into. And, how big of a slime it'll be.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm a tea girl.
Here you go. That's for your other slime. And here we go. I think our mermaid might check out her slime. I think she wants to check out hers. Oh, I have a cool idea. Once we have our big slime, we can put our mermaid, put the slime on top of our mermaid. I'm going to actually do that, right now. Because she's I want slime. She's she wants slime, right now. So here's our little mermaid. We have her right here. This, I think I'm going to put this on, the top part of her. It's Lazy Saturday. So she has a lazy ponytail.
And we have no school on Monday, so.
Yeah. So that's great. We have a 3-day vacation. So there we go. I just don't want to mix the slimes yet, but we'll take them off her for now. Put that in the baggie. We should really buy containers for slime instead of bags. But let's go on to our next slime that we're making.
I think I'm going to use this one.
Okay, but I'll have to help.
Or maybe the pink.
I think you should do the pink. I think you should do the pink, and I want to do this pink. You want to do... Oh, I have a great idea. I'm going to do this purple and this pink mixed together. That's what I should do. That's, sounds super fun.
I have a pink and a blue glow-in-the-dark slime here. I think I'm going to use both of these.
I have... No, glow in the dark.
Okay. Go.
Also,
Come in.
my sister has an Instagram page, so if you could follow her on that, that'd be amazing. So if they want to tell them your thing for your.
So for my Instagram,
What's your name?
Sammy West 101. Go follow me.
Yeah. My hair might be messy, but that's because it's lazy Saturday. I'm not putting all the purple because my sister might want to use purple again, and I'll actually put her in the camera a little more. Here, come here. Get closer. I'm shoving you out of here. I don't want to be.
This slime, this glue is not coming out.
I absolutely love slime. And when I was getting this YouTube channel, I'm like, oh, but I want to make slime now. And I'm like, oh, finally. I'm like, seriously? That just took 1 minute. And I'm like, okay, Mom, you got me my YouTube channel. Time to mix them together. I want to see what color I got, but I think the purple will take over the pink, so I might add a little more pink.
You want to help me get this out? Because
yeah,
our feather getting super out, and that's not really coming out.
I think that's it.
There's some of this blue glue sitting on the very bottom.
Oh, I didn't knock anything over. Okay, I don't think there's anywhere in that.
I'll do this.
Okay. So time to mix mine together. Wait, I was wrong. The pink's kind of taking over the purple. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Wait, now the purple's taking. What the? Oh my god, that's such a pretty color. It's lighter now. I think I want to add this pink that I had before because I want it. Unless you want it. Do you want it?
Do you have another purple? Oh, yes, you do.
I do. We're probably gonna only do 2.
I'm adding 3 colors in this because there's barely any glue.
Wait, I'm gonna go see if I have anything else to add into these slimes.
Do you have any more glue?
I don't know. I'll check. Oh, there's no. Oh yes, glue. Save my life. I'm shaving foam. I'm shaving foam.
You mean shaving cream?
Yeah, shaving foam. We can make mermaid slime. I just got more glue and shaving foam, which I'm about to put in my slime before I activate it.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Glitter. I'm gonna make a mermaid unicorn slime. Woohoo!
Paige, look at this. Mine's the pink. I have 2 pinks in here, so
PaigePoop.
the pink is taking over because I have 2 pinks. I'm gonna borrow your shaving.
Want glitter?
Oh yeah, she was right. It was
Shaving foam.
Shaving
foam.
Shave foam.
Shaving foam. Okay, I'll add that in for you because the cap's still on.
Okay. Oh, whoa, it's rising.
I know. That's why I'm putting a little. Okay. I don't know if this will work out because the last time we put this shaving foam in here didn't really work out. Oh my god, mine's turning to such a pretty color. Remember, Samantha, keep on eating. Wait, did you even put any activator in there?
No, not yet.
my god, new activator. Actually, I'm thinking of putting more glitter in here. Here we go. Okay. Just put like half of that in there.
Okay, can you put some activator? Thank you.
So first we'll mix this up before I add my activator. Guys, look how pretty that is. Well, you probably can't see it, but whatever. Whatever. Adding the activator. I'll show you like the color and like all the sparkles, and if it's actually fluffy, very fluffy when it is done. It's actually coming together this time, guys. Yay!
Yep, mine's already coming together. I have this pretty,
Is it fluffy?
A little bit, still sticky. If we could have a little quiet on set, you guys can actually.
Once I'm done, mixing this and like getting it all together, I think I'm gonna like put a light on. Well, a light's already on, but your hands are less stickier than mine. Can you pour activator into mine? Like I poured like the littlest amount ever.
Hold on.
Hold on. Why did I pour such a little amount and then start mixing?
Okay. So you need your model liquid, the magical liquid.
Good.
I know that came out kind of fast. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, oh crap, it's sticking to the tablecloth. It's not. We're okay.
At the end of this video, I will also be telling you my YouTube name. Again, it's sort of long, but yeah, whatever, that doesn't matter.
I even actually might start a YouTube channel myself.
I can actually help you, and you can go on your phone, but you better let me go on your YouTube channel. I will let you in on mine.
So it's too late, people. She already has her first subscriber, and that's me. I'm sorry, but that's me.
Hopefully my parents will start watching me. Mine is so fluffy. You can always add fluffiness afterwards.
I have a little slime. There wasn't a lot of glue. But I'm definitely going to add some more. We have some more glue over here.
We have clear glue, and we have white glue, and we still have our glitter glue. We have our shaving foam, and we have our glitter. Oh my god, this is like so nice. Like, this is amazing.
I think I just got slime in my hair.
No. Okay, good.
So I think I'm going to make a total of 3 slimes, and then we're going to add them all together, and then see what color slime we get.
Wait, we'll just add like a little bit of the slime, because we still want to keep it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like so excited. Let me turn you guys this way to show you my little mermaid. My little mermaid's over here. She kind of wants to say something, so I'll get out of the way. But I'll help her stand. Hey guys, you can go to my YouTube channel and see me make slime. Alright, bye. Yeah, she has her own YouTube channel, which is practically my YouTube channel. You didn't hear that from me. So yeah, she's kind of having a sad day because she she can't make slime. Yeah. And also at the end of the video, I'll show you one of my cats. Hopefully, if they come to me.
This is glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're just like, yeah. I'm still needing this. With the
I'm doing clear glue.
clear.
Clear and white glue
We'll definitely get
is what I'm going to do.
more
Glue.
glue probably next time
We don't have a lot of glue.
because we made a lot of slime. And also we made a lot of slime. Yeah. I already said that, but it's worth it to say it
You
again.
open that.
I am trying to meet my slime. Hang on. No. Only put one glue because we don't have a lot of like white glue and clear glue. Like use the glitter glues now because we don't have a lot. Like we don't have a lot at all. So we need to make very little slimes unless we're using shaving foam. So guys, this is about ready. Gonna add more activator because we need more activator. And my next slime I'm making is going to be a fluffy slime. And also, I might make a wheel for my next video, and we have to put in whatever it says.
So I have a question for you.
What?
What are you going to call your subscribers?
I didn't think about that, but
Comment down below what she thinks. What you think
Yeah.
she could call you guys.
Yeah. Slimers?
Oh.
Family slime, maybe? Family!
Slime fam.
Slime fam. Yeah, I'll call you slime fam. So, slime fam, today you have to pour it in like this because it'll come out like faster.
Okay, that's good.
Remember, not a lot of that because it activates very, very fast. And slime fam, you guys are amazing because like you guys are just like amazing because
I've seen a lot of these like YouTubers that they give out shout outs to fans.
So I will be giving shout outs once my first video is posted. I think I actually have a pretty good lighting, and pretty much even for my first video, like I have a good lighting for my first video. Pretty much, yeah. So like this is my mermaid unicorn fluffy slime.
Look at this shaving cream has pretty much taken over my slime.
And also to most of my favorite YouTubers, even if they don't do like comment or know about my YouTube channel, I still will give them shout outs because they're amazing. But not in this video. I can't give shout outs in this video because my first video isn't posted exactly yet. But I have to make one more slime and then we have to mix them all together. Can you get two more? By the way, I got you another bag for that other slime you have.
Oh, thank you.
Can you get two more bags for slime? One for me and one for you.
Yeah. Do you feel the slime I just made?
Yeah.
You're gonna love it.
Oh my god, this is so fluffy. God, it's so fluffy. I mean, like, it's not like the best at stretching and all, But yeah,
It's
still really fluffy. Kind of gotta stretch it slowly, but it's like so good. I have an idea for my next video. I think we shouldn't we like get balloons and like put slime in balloons to make.
We should have Mom come in.
No.
Mom's good.
She's doing.
Hi, YouTubers.
So we found out what we were going to call her subscribers. We're calling them the
Slime fam.
There you go. That's pretty awesome.
I know. Hopefully sometime my mom.
Such supportive parents.
What?
I said we have such supportive parents.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Technically, if I want to do something, they'll probably let me do it on my YouTube channel. It's kind of a good thing about having a YouTube channel. Don't tell them I said that. Can you give me the clear glue and the Elmer's glue? In the no. Yeah, that one. Just like that. Yeah.
I think you guys would really like this slime. Like she said, you guys gonna have to kind of really stretch this one slowly. I have an idea of what we could do for our some of our videos.
My video.
Or her video. I'm sorry.
But I will allow you to be my assistant, and yeah, so she'll be my assistant. Do you want the job?
Sure.
In my next video, we'll
I can be your editor too.
Oh yeah, but Mom will have to help me with that.
Yeah.
Can't open this. I can't open this.
That's why I told you to help me open it.
I'll just have my dad open that. I could open this one. Yay!
This one, you guys, is really nice and fluffy. It's not sticky, so that's really good.
Well, it's
A little.
a little.
Not a lot.
Not a lot, but a little. A lot of little. Lot of little.
So you know what we could do? Add just a little bit of activator to.
But only use at contact solution because that's like not very strong.
And you have that contact solution.
Thank you. And it's not very sticky. So yeah. Yeah. Dad!
Oh, she's gonna have her dad go help her open up that glue because we can't get it open. So you guys, what I need to do is it's kind of getting kind of rippy. So what I do is I just need
Guys, that was like so hard because barely he could even open it because the cap was glued on. And don't mind my sister talking to my brother. Once you figure out how to edit, we know how to edit. Yeah, that's that. Time to mix. At least our glue. Because I'm adding shaving foam. There we go. Like, I don't know what is with this shaving foam, but for some reason, once you put a little in, it becomes a lot. Shaving foam's taking over the glue. That doesn't matter, because we're making the slime for you. Oh, that kind of rhymed. Right, Smitha? Mm-hmm. Just add in some more glue. I kind of want purple glue. Because all I have is...
My 3 slimes are all done. And they're in baggies. And after we're done, we're going to combine them.
Combine them, yes. The purple's barely even showing. Like, the white's taking over the purple.
I'm going to wash out my container.
Okay, you do that, and I'll continue making my slime. And, just a heads up, guys. I absolutely love singing. So, in some of my videos, might be a dancing contest, singing contest. Yeah, it's not just all about the slime. It's makeup, hair. Well, can't really do anything. My hair, maybe my mom's hair, maybe my sister's. We don't know. But I'm just thanking you guys so much for watching my videos. Well, if you watch them. But yes, thank you very much. I'm so excited to see what this slime turns out like. Because, like, it's not really coming... Well, it's coming together. But it's very not sticky. Like, really. It's sticky, but it's not sticky at the same time. Like, it's weird. That's the part I don't like about slime. It's sticky, but it's not sticky. Oh my god, this has to be like cloud slime. Like, it's cloud. It's cloud. Hopefully we can get instant snow and actually make cloud slime. So I thought this is so fluffy. Some of my friends might be in my YouTube channel, or watching my YouTube channel, but hopefully not. Hopefully they don't watch my YouTube channel because that's kind of be embarrassing, like a lot. So, you're my friends. Please watch my YouTube channel. I know I just said, like, don't, but, like, I want a lot of, like, I would like a lot of subscribers. So, if we can get over 1K, I'll let you guys control me for like an hour or two because we can't do the whole day. Because I'm not one of those like perfect YouTube persons. Or you guys can choose if we can get over like 2K, 1K. That'd be amazing. We could do like one of those 24-hour things, like 24 hours upstairs. Wait, no, because there's no bathroom upstairs. 24 hours in the bathroom. Yeah, 24 hours in the bathroom. That'd be nice because like there's a big space and I'd be like spending time with my cats because their food bowls are in there. I think we should move their cat bowls because, like, yeah, I think I want to move them. No, not in my room. Because I was about to say, I think we should move in their room. But what if there was a water spill or cat food spill? And it's jiggly, like, it's really jiggly. Samantha, come here, look at this slime. It's super jiggly.
In a minute.
Yeah. So, Samantha, wait, we have to mix all our slimes together now. What'd you get, a splinter?
No.
Okay, now it's time to mix all our slimes together. Woohoo! I'm actually really excited. I think I want to mix this whole slime. I think I want to mix all my slimes into the slime. Like, not like leave half of it out. I mean, like, it'd be a really good idea to do that, but I don't really want to do it. So, it's time for us to mix our slimes together. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'll take that as yes. Okay, all my slimes are out. Well, not all of them, because I might just have this last one to get out. Yeah, she's getting out her slimes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Apparently, somebody, not their name is not going to be said. But since my...
Well, 2 slimes are already starting to combine.
Ooh, good job. Since, we get my mom's head. Okay, there it is. There we go. And since my white fluffy slime is kind of like boring, I had sparkles. Do you want sparkles in yours? Okay, so I get to use the rest of them. Woohoo! Yay! Mixing glitter is so fun, especially when your slime is already made. Because it's like you get to fold it in, and then glitter is all over my pots.
Okay, guys, so my slimes are all mixed together.
This is my roommate slime, and I'm really excited to mix it together and sad at the same time. But yeah, somebody. That's this person. Or this
Okay,
mermaid.
guys. So, can you move it? Sorry. Stepped on your foot. So my slimes are all mixed together.
Ooh, I have to be here.
That's it. I'm gonna.
No, Swift, we have to mix our slimes together now.
I'm gonna leave.
No, because we have to mix our slimes together. Well, after my slimes are mixed
I don't know
together.
if I want to mix my slimes with this your other slimes.
But we already said we would.
I know. Fine.
It'll be one big slime. Okay, come here. I'm gonna mix it. Like, mine's not mixed all the way together, but that doesn't matter. Okay, come here. Time for the mixing other slimes. You ready?
Yep.
Oh my god, look how big it is. I'm actually thinking it's gonna be like a light purple with like glitter in it, and I'm actually gonna add more shaving foam to it. Oh my god, it's like a slime worm. Slime worm! I mean, a shaving foam worm. Now I have like shaving foam all over my hands. That doesn't matter. I added more shaving foam because this is supposed to end up like as a really fluffy slime. So as my sister is over there, I will mix this all together. Like I said earlier early in the video, I said I might be able to show you my cat. If I can find one of them. I have 3 kitty cats. Look at that perfect big swirl. Oh, it's not perfect because nothing in the world is perfect but you're friendly. My God, it's so stretchy. So fluffy too. I think I'm gonna add more glue to it just to make it more stretchier. Maybe. Whatever. This slime is already like so good. Super duper duper good. So I'm trying to fit this in the bag. Barely can fit, but I will bring you guys and try to show you one of my kitty cats. There's a cat over here. Is a kitty cat over here? Is one over here? Cats! Okay, apparently the cats aren't here, but guys, it was so much fun. And bye! Hugs! Hugs! And hugs. And hopefully you guys will subscribe. Remember, we're trying to get up to about 1 or 2K. And you guys can control.
And you guys can go follow me on Instagram at SammyWest101.
Okay.